There's a good girl. Now try not to flap, will you? There we go. In you go. Oh, in you go. There's a good girl. There you go. Put down. That's it. There's a good girl. It's not too hot, is it? It's nice and warm. There's a good girl. Because you are very dirty, aren't you? Hey, isn't that nice? Oh, look at that dirty bum. Oh, that's really horrid, isn't it? Are you right there? Now, we're supposed to start cleaning the front end while I do the rear end. That's what the others do. There's a good girl. Oh, that's nasty. Yeah. What a dirty girl. Nice clean water with bubbles. Right. Oh, you have got a dirty bottom. Oh, you should have done it before, shouldn't you? Really? Yes, you should. That's a good girl. Isn't that nice? Isn't that nice? Give you a nice blow dry in a minute. Wait. It's a good job you're not a show chicken. You'd have to have this done every day. Yeah. Poo on me, will you? No, don't you poo on me. That wouldn't be very nice, would it?